I found this strategy that works 100% of the time and will get you viral at some point on TikTok. These are the 14 steps that will lead you to fame. Okay, let's go straight to the video. I hope you checked my last video about the sport betting strategy, where I discuss betting and where I introduce myself. Nonetheless, here I have 14 main points that will make you go viral on TikTok. Number 1. Before you do anything, make sure to browse the For You page. Before you jump into making content, you have to know what's going viral on TikTok. Scrolling through your For You page is a perfect way to learn about the latest trends, popular audio tracks, and the biggest influencers. If you're looking for the best tips to grow on TikTok, start with a thorough review of the For You page algorithm that is already on the app. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below of video topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. Thank you. Number 2. Create a new profile if you want to get more followers on TikTok. Yes. So first things first, create a new fresh account. You need a great profile picture, come up with a catchy username or one that describes the type of content you plan to post. You should add a brief but entertaining description so users know exactly what to expect from your page. That is very important. Also, you should link to your other social media channels or websites. Number 3. Have an audience in mind. Keep in mind that 41% of TikTok users are between 16 and 24. Obviously, the app skews to a younger audience. But you should define your personal audience even further. So you need to ask yourself, what interests or hobbies do your ideal followers have? What type of content do they care about? Is it important to make your content both relatable and shareable? The only way to make your content the most relatable and shareable is to understand your audience. Some of the most viral videos on TikTok are all songs from the early 2000s that were popular in that period. The reason being is this was the childhood memories for a lot of people that use TikTok today. That's relatability. Number 4. Post quality content. It's pretty much the same as the YouTube. TikTok users are notorious for calling out copycats and unoriginal content. So make sure that every video you post is original or unique in some way, even if you're using popular audio, content type, or participating in a trend. Authentic content will perform better than forced or fake content, allowing you to grow on TikTok even faster. Number 5. Upload every day from 1 to 5 videos. When one of your videos goes viral or ends up on someone's For You page, you need to have a profile full of videos for them to click through. Imagine yourself watching a video you enjoyed and clicking on the profile picture just to find out they have only one video. Disappointment. You can easily get more followers on TikTok by posting videos every day or as frequently as you can. The more you post, the more chances you have of being seen. Consistency is key when it comes to TikTok. Number 6. Be unique. Blowing up on TikTok only happens if you have something that sets you apart.
Copy, store, or send your ideas anywhere in the world at the touch of a button.
I like the color.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had mixed reviews on the color. Some people said they like it, some people said they don't like it, and I said, well, what color is your bagay? Oh, then.
Users can scroll through hundreds of short videos every day, and they are looking for something that catches their attention. Decide what makes you unique and gives your content a personal edge or style. Ask yourself why people should follow you in the first place. If you notice on TikTok, viral trends happen all the time because of random accounts posting the perfect video at the perfect time. Then it catches on like wildfire. Then everyone and their mother on TikTok starts to recreate their video, further pushing its viral status. Become the trend setter instead of trend follower. That's the mindset. Number 7. Partner up with an influencer. Influencers on TikTok come in all shapes and sizes, and they are great options for TikTok growth hacks. You do not have to partner with the biggest names on the platform to grow your own followers. Instead, search for niche influencers who are reaching your target audience. They may have a few thousand followers or a few 100,000 followers, but either way, it is a great way to reach new people. Number 8. Use hashtags. Use hashtags. If you are participating in a trend, taking on a new challenge, or using popular audio, add in a descriptive hashtag. You should also hashtag your videos with your industry or niche market so your content is easier to find. Spend some time searching through popular hashtags and niche-specific hashtags to determine which ones are most used and well received. Number 9. Use popular songs or soundtracks. Soundtracks are an essential part of the TikTok experience, and they can go viral almost as often as a video. You can incorporate a popular audio track in your video and become instantly searchable by the track alone. Users who love a specific song or background track can search for other videos using the same song, and it provides another way for new audiences to find your videos. Number 10. Duet videos. Duets allow you to partner with another creator without needing their sign-off. If there is a video you love by a specific creator or one of them matches your style and aesthetic, you can create your own version in Duet. Your new video will appear to the left of the original. Tagging the original creator and using the original hashtags and the audio track can help you get more followers on TikTok. Number 11. Participate in TikTok challenges. One of the best methods to grow on TikTok is to participate in the challenges. Whether it's the latest dance craze or a skit-style video, put your own spin on the newest trend. TikTok users often search for hashtags of challenges and popular challenge videos, and they end up in the For You page. Number 12. Follow people. Getting noticed is hard. However, you can get someone's attention by following their account. Look for creators or TikTok users that match your target audience and create videos with a similar vibe. Following these people may earn you a follow back. At least you will get another set of eyes on your profile and content. Number 13. Work on your camera skills. Quality rules the day on TikTok.
Huzzah! A man of quality!
If you're wondering how to get more likes on TikTok, consider upgrading your equipment. Make sure your videos are high quality and stable, instead of grainy and shaky. You should also pay attention to the background of your videos, checking that your surroundings are clean and free of distractions. Test out different camera features, filters and effects to make a truly unique and impressive TikToks. Number 14. Share your TikTok profile. Finally, you should share your TikTok profile on your other social media accounts if you want to get more followers on TikTok. Encourage your friends and family to follow your profile and like your content to boost your numbers. The more likes and follows you get, the better the chances you have of becoming TikTok famous. And that's it, guys. These are the 14 tips that you need to know in order to become famous on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check this video on the top left corner. See ya!